Hello everyone, I am Mahmoud Yusuf from Autism Has Art, and I'm going to show you today how to make a fully glass transparent and mirrors. Let's start. I have two models here, one with solidify modifier on it and one without it. Let's go to material, new material, leave everything, come down to roughness, make it 0. For specular, it's up to you if you leave it or make it something like 300, something around it. Leave everything. Here in transmission, make it 1, and you will have something like that. It's not really a glass, it's really reflect, yes, the background, but it looks something like mirror, something like that. To fix this, just go down, setting, blend mode, make it multiply, and now you will have something like that. It's not really perfect, we can do some modification. Let's come here to base color, make it more whiter. Here also make it more whiter, and it's up to you if you wanted to add something here, but don't touch this. Then come here and make it something like that. Maybe it's up to you, but don't make it black. The idle color, the idle number, sorry, for IOR is 1330. It's not a low, you can just make it like that or more, but I like to keep it in 1330, but don't make it more like 1500 or 1600, it will affect the module. So you will have something like that, a glass. For mirror, I have this surface, it's look like it's reflect nothing because the HDRI I'm using, it's from blender.org, but it's based on your HDRI. So all you have to do is to come here and just make it a glass. Leave everything. 1330 is okay. Also 450 is okay, and make sure the normal is chosen. Leave everything here and you will have something like that. This is like a mirror. Okay, if you change this HDRI, it will give you better result. It's really reflect. I make it in forest and it's work fine, but you got the idea. To get HDRIs, I will leave you in the description link for textures.heaven, my favorite site, and also you can find it in many sites. To install HDRI, just go to wallet, then here in surface, add node, then here in color, press here and take environment textures, then here open, choose any HDRI and load it, and you will have something like that. Make sure you are in shading view mode or rendering to get this lights and environment light. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.